friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about openings in Revit architecture. So if you go to your architecture ribbon panel, you can find openings, and there are many types of openings like by face, soft, wall, and vertical, and dormer. Dormer we have discussed in our previous tutorials that you can refer, and I am going to discuss these four commands here. So I am going to start by face. So by face is opening that is perpendicular to the selected face of a roof, floor, or ceiling. That means you can create openings by using this by face in this kind of roof and ceilings. And this vertical opening is almost similar like by face, but it will create vertical opening. So I will make you understand the difference of these two. These are almost similar, but there is some difference. So I'm going to select this by face first, and now I'm going to select this roof part here, and now I will create a rectangular opening of any size you can take. And now I'm going to click this, and you can see this is a rectangular opening is created here. You can edit a sketch also. You can increase or decrease the size as per your preference. And this is the rectangular opening by face. So again I am going to my architecture ribbon panel, and now I am going to select this vertical opening. Again I am going to select this roof, and I will bring this top view like this, and now I will create another rectangular opening by using vertical command, and I am going to finish this. And you can see there is rectangular opening here by using vertical. This is by rectangular opening by using by face. So we will understand the difference. It's looking almost similar. So I'm going to my site plan, and you can see this in top view. This is by vertical and this is by face. So I'm going to draw one section line here and one section line here. So this is by face. I'm going to section view, double clicking. You can see this is by face and it is perpendicular to this roof. And again if you go to your site plan, and I'm going to double click this, we'll go to sectional view by vertical opening, and you can see this is vertically and it is perpendicular to this roof or slab. So you can clearly see the difference here. So this is the difference between by face and vertical. So if you practice, you can understand the difference by drawing section line. So next I am going to understand shaft here. So shaft is used to create vertical opening. So if you want to create openings for a staircase in multi-level, you can use this shaft command. It will save a lot of time. So for this I have selected this staircase with one building that is multi-level. So I am going to create shaft here by using this shaft command. So you can understand, I am going to my level 1, and now I am going to create opening for these stairs to the multi-level like 5th floor, 4th floor. So I am going to use this shaft, and I am going to use rectangular opening. So I am going to select this rectangle command here, and now I will draw one rectangular opening here. This is just to understand, and I'm going to finish this. And if you'll go to your 3D view, you can see this is the shaft opening. If you'll click this, you can see this shaft opening, and you have to just draw this arrow till where you want openings. I want opening till top floor, so I will drag this to the top floor. And now if you click this again, you can see it has created openings in all floors, so it is saving a lot of time than in other softwares. So this is sub command is used to create openings in multi-level, so you can practice each one. And this is for creating openings in wall, but this is a rectangular opening, you cannot create circular opening. I will tell you how you can create another shapes opening in a wall. So I'm going to create openings in wall, so I will go to my level 1, and now I'm going to select this wall, and I will click once here and drag this till wherever you want. I'm going to finish this. So it has created openings here, so I'm going to my view, and you can see it has created openings. So you can, this is rectangular only, you can change the size by using these arrows here. You can shift, can increase the height, or you can decrease also. And also you can select this wall here openings, and you can change the properties from here also, like top offset is minus 2 feet 6 inches. I'm going to make it 1 feet. I'm going to apply, so you can see it is increasing. We'll make it to minus 3 feet, decrease. So you can create wall openings by going to these properties also. But if you want to create like another shape like curve or circular, how you can do this, I will go and select this wall, and you can go to this edit profile, and you can make circular or any other shapes openings. Like I'm going to select this circle, and this polygon shape here, and I'm going to finish this. So you can see this is the opening, circular and hexagonal shapes. So you can create this kind of openings by using wall properties. You can edit the profile of this wall and then create, but by wall opening you can create only rectangular shapes. So vertical and by face you have understood, and shaft and wall is for this. So this is the difference between these openings types. And in the next video tutorial I will come with some another interesting tutorials. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.